Okay, so Caleb needs new shoes. Hey Caleb, do you need new shoes? What for science? What do you mean new shoes? PE yes. But science no. Hey Caleb.
Think they are absolutely divine.
Wait, what? Hold up, I just gotta finish this level. Yeah, I need a new shoebox. What? No, I need a shoebox lid for science. Oh, you aren't serious about those? Oh, I didn't think Father's Day was coming up already.
Hey guys, let's get our science on by using music. So we know that sound travels through string. So can we do the same thing but apply the phone concept and replace it with a guitar? I say let's give it a go.
Check with your teacher if you can paint your guitar. You know, the shoebox lid. If you are allowed, keep your desk in basic. No more than 3 colors. We don't want to get distracted from the science task. Remember, make a plan and list things needed. Wait for your teachers to give further instructions. Keeping ourselves safe at all times when using the equipment. Now get your science on. Make sure you check with your teachers who is putting the holes in the shoebox lid. With your shoebox lid, use a ruler to mark your pin holes. Next, use a straight pin and make 4 holes at the top end of the lid. Then 4 holes below. Oh, well done! Great, now get your ruler. Make sure the holes at the top match the bottom pinhole markings. In checking, they should be in line with each other. Now, measure the length from the top holes to the bottom holes. Next, write those measurements down for length of your fishing line, now at 5 centimeters. This will allow for taping down the fishing line at the back of the shoebox lid. Okay, now begin with making the holes so you can thread the fishing line through. Stay focused, you got this! Right. Now cut 4 pieces of fishing line to that length which you just measured. Okay. Now thread a piece of fishing line through the front of the top hole. Then tape the line down on the back of the lid with duct tape. Repeat for the bottom hole. Do the same with the other holes with the fishing line. Now do the same for the other 3 holes with your fishing lines. Brilliant! Now that's getting your science on! Now, once you have threaded the fishing line string through the front, turn your shoebox lid over to the back. The other shoebox image represents the back, so when you thread the line through you can now tape it down. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together!
It's not really a mystery. Oh, can't you see now? All along the string, the vibration helps it sing. The thicker the thread it sings, a deeper the tone. So pluck the string instead, let the force on the air tone. So use your ears and your head as the air particles compress.